Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And by the way, shout out kay Sir Jerome of Cebu. Welcome. So we have here the 2011 High Kappa Brontosaurus. This is the baby High Kappa by WE, made in Taiwan. It comes with 0.23 G or 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots BBs, and also comes with 14 number 14 Pop Dino power up. So bali kasama na po siya sa package dito sa ating baby High Kappa 3.8 Brontosaurus. Ayan po. And ito naman po yun sa kabilang side. Ayan. Okay, again, this is the 3.8 Brontosaurus High Kappa 2011. Baby High Kappa siya, guys. 3.8 inches barrel. And this is the box. Yan, made in Taiwan by WE. Okay, the magazine is 24 rounder capacity. 24 rounder capacity, double stock. Okay, naka fiber optic sight na siya, front and rear, ambidextrous manual safety, magwell, beaver tail grip safety. Ayan. With also meron na siyang railing para sa accessories and threaded barrel for tracer units. Ayan. Compact siya, guys, compact. Baby High Kappa. Ayan, markings. So sa tunay ito po ay 45 ECP. Caliber 45 ECP. Okay, 3.8 Brontosaurus. Ito po yung baby High Kappa ng yung standard kasi natin is yung 2011 na High Kappa T-Rex. So papansin nyo same na same yung design, pero short grip, short barrel. Okay, 2011 High Kappa. So, lagyan natin siya ng BBs. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS itong unit na to. Okay, chronograph testing. Again, this is the 2011 High Kappa T-Rex. High Kappa Brontosaurus, baby High Kappa 3.8. Ayan, so pwede rin siyang lagyan ng red dot optic. Meron na siyang kasamang plate. This is the mounting plate para sa red dot optic kung gusto niyo siyang lagyan ng red dot optic. Okay, testing. Bearing 318.1 EPS. 318.1. $311.2. 311.2. 311.9. 299.4. Okay, so yun po yung kanyang EPS. Then open chamber, release magazine, hammer down. Again, this is the 2011 High Kappa Brontosaurus or yung baby High Kappa by WE, made in Taiwan. So pwede siyang lagyan ng red dot, lagyan ng flashlight, tracer unit. Yan, naka fiber optic sight, naka magwell, So, yung safety pala, check natin. Okay, working. So, shoot pa tayo. Okay, shooting test of the compact pistol 2011 High Kappa Brontosaurus. The by WE and Baby High Kappa compact pistol. Okay, firing. Ganda ng sight niya, oh. Okay, tsaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya, compact pero matipid sa gas siya. Accurate naman din. Lakas din. Lakas ng blowback. Okay, Baby High Kappa 3.8 Brontosaurus. Yan. Okay. So maganda siya guys, loaded. Kamagwell, stippled grip, fiber optic sight, silver slide, black frame. Okay, again, this is the 2011 High Kappa Brontosaurus by WE. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.